Alright, what's up? So this is the first apartment right here. Take a look. Okay, this is on the second floor. This is the outside. And the apartment is pretty old. So let's take a look. So you walk in, here's your lobby first. The first bedroom. Okay, it's a big room. It's a pretty big room. So light, so yeah, this one is the master bedroom, which is nice, but it's big size. It's pretty decent. Okay, here's your kitchen, right? And then off to the side, there's your bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, right? Okay, here's the bathroom. Shower. So this is like a typical Vietnamese like situation. Vietnamese would stay in this kind of a place. It's a really old, tiny bathroom. Like if you look, this is the bathroom right here. That's it. Right here. So here's the bathroom. I can't even move. It's like so tiny. Nah, this won't work. But anyways, yeah. Okay. So bedroom number 2. Pretty big area, not gonna lie, it's a pretty big bedroom. Small living space, but yeah. It looks really old. And then look at this. What is this? What is this kind of area? Interesting. Here, a balcony. So this is kind of like the biggest balcony, which is cool, but it's an old building. Cool. Look at the outside. Something about these I don't like. Okay, it opens up to this. This is like your living space. All right, this one is 9.5. 9.5. All right, so we are in the second one, and I want to check this out. So this is the way to get up. So we walked up 3 flights of stairs, and then we walked up these flights of stairs, and then we came into this, okay? This is your living room. So this is 13 million. So we have both bedrooms, 1 bedroom here, 1 bedroom here. Okay, feels good, but this is cool right here. Nice area, okay? Some of these apartments have their bare bones. So if I turn around here, this is the room, yeah. So this is a 2-bedroom, and this is the master. So this one's a bigger room, if you can tell. And then this is a bigger room, so. And then you have your view here, which is nice, it's okay. Cool. So yeah, this is, you definitely get more for your buck in places like Da Nang or Hanoi, much more. But yeah, this is, and then this is the living space. So here's the bathroom, okay. So be wary of those, but it works. Okay, it's big, it's a pretty big space, I'm not gonna lie. So then, yeah, this has everything that you need, basically. Everything you need, and that's your living space. Now here's your balcony. You can see we're at the very top. Okay, boom, that's good. All right, so this is Funyang. We're looking for places in the center, I'll show you, but this one is 13 million. All right, off to the next one, let's get it. All right, what's up, y'all? So we're checking out a place now, and I think this one might be it, to be honest. It's 10 million, and it's 2 bedrooms, so check this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. So this is the master. So master's pretty big. This is in Danben, and this is a pretty big area. All right, so there's a bathroom. Please. So this is 2 bathroom, 2 bath. All right. So this is the 2nd bedroom. Nice and open, which is nice. I like. This is the 2nd bedroom. Not a whole lot to see or do, but it has AC. It has that view, and that's cool. So let's keep it moving. So let's go into, so it's open like this. It's got its own bathroom, which is nice. And it's got a tub here. It's a little old. They said the owner is 80 years old, so yeah, I mean, you can tell it's a little rough around the edges, but these things I'm not a big fan of. But let's go like this. So look at this. This is it right here. This is what you're looking for right here. All right, and then right here, that's Gobap. All right, so yeah. And that's a nice little river right there. Little canal river, love it. Okay. And then it opens up into this kitchen here, obviously. So this is a really big place, and it's only 10 million. So look at this, it's an open space. All right, love it.
If you're thinking about moving to Vietnam or staying there for an extended period of time, you need to know about Kevin. He's the go-to guy for relocation here. Why? Because he's been through all the challenges you'll likely face, whether it's about visa, housing, banking, work, dating, and he's quite transparent about it, so you know that he's not going to sugarcoat when sharing intel. His channel, The Story of Katie, is packed with free intel, but when I needed a tailored plan, I booked a 30-minute consultation call, and in that one call, I got tons of advices on how to navigate, settle down, find my way in different parts of Vietnam. It didn't feel like a lecture, it felt like chatting with a friend who actually knows what he's talking about. I left with a game plan and confidence to make the move. So if Vietnam is on your horizon, skip the guesswork, book a session with Kevin and start your Vietnam journey the right way.
All right, so now we're gonna check out another one. So the first one you just saw, the one you just saw, that's on the 13th floor. We are on the 9th floor now. Same level, same apartment, same structure, just updated and branded. So as you can see, we're on the 9th floor, 12 million. So and this is all brand new stuff they're talking about. So here's a bed, it's good, I'll say. It's a little dark in here, but let's see, let's open this up, which is pretty dope. Nice little closet space, cool, with a little balloon, I like it. Okay. New ACs, new all that stuff, 12 million, just 2 million more, and you can get it updated. And this place is pretty big. The master bedroom. All right, let me go over here, and then obviously you can see that. So this one again is 12 million. Okay. This is in Danben, where I live now, but just probably 10 minutes away from my house now. So yeah, it's pretty big. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. Here's the first bathroom. So this would be like your guest bathroom here, which I think it's nice. It's doable. Go pee real quick. Okay. There is all updated stuff, which is nice. A tub again. But then there's this thing right here, which is nice. I like that better than the other ones. Yeah. And then again, it comes with a TV. Brand new stuff here, ACs. But then it has this right here. This is the view, right? So we were on 13. Now there's a pool right here. Cool. And then they're building a lot right here. So this is pretty cool. This is a nice area. Again, that's GoVap. But if I turn around, you can see the whole thing. All right, yeah, I think we could do something with this. I ain't gonna lie. This would be a pretty cool area to live in. The one upstairs, higher, it's 10 million, but it's older. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff that you'll get here. It's like a little bit newer, put a little bit more, spend 2 million more, or spend less than have to do everything yourself. So yeah, we got some decisions to make, all right? Let's get it. All right, guys, so this is the last apartment that we're gonna check on this building, and it is 10 million, okay? So just like the first apartment was 10 million, that was on the 13th floor. The second apartment we saw was on the 9th floor, which is the colorful one. And then now we're on the 10th floor, all right? So we're on the other side of the building. So this one is slightly a different design, okay? And it opens up to this, right? So the bedrooms are on the other side now. So let's go into here. This is the second bedroom. So like, it looks like it's much older, a little bit older. This place was built in 2013, okay? This building, 2013. So it's kind of a smaller room, looks like. It still's got some space, go across. This is the master bedroom. So like, look, obviously you can tell there's a bathroom right there, but yeah, this is the master bedroom. Obviously you can tell this is older, you know what I mean? And then the room is a little bit tiny, I'm not gonna cap. It's a little bit tiny, right? I like the other side though. And then it goes straight into the bathroom, right? So this one, just like the other sides, pretty basic and pretty decent. Clean it up and it'll look pretty nice, right? Shoe rack, which is dope, right? It opens up to this. Not as put together as the other side. So the other side's A and this is side B. Everyone has a bathtub, which is nice, which is really interesting. They just need to clean this up a little bit, that's it. But the bathroom is very big, I'm not gonna lie, okay? But like, look. So, who knows? I mean, the river is right here. Okay, interesting. Okay. Cool, man. I love it. So this is what you get for 10 million. 10 million B&D every month, 10 million. Okay, see? And then obviously we'll check out the view from here. It's dirty windows, but not a whole lot you can see through. All right, look at this. All right. Okay. All right, and that's it right there. All right, man, 10 million. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we're gonna check out one of the last apartments. So check it out, it's a 2-bedroom. Look at, boom. Okay, this one's 14 million. Okay, so into bedroom number 1. This is the master bedroom. Okay, so yeah. Okay, it's still, they're renovating it. It comes with its own desk, TV, all that good stuff. Cool. Living space, got the room here, bedroom number 2. Okay, there's my future, bedroom number 2. Okay, same exact bedroom, but a little bit smaller, okay, just flipped. Okay, this is 14 million. All right. So we have a bathroom on the master bedroom, which is cool. It's just a little old, but dirty. So yeah, go into the second bathroom. Again, second bathroom, boom. Again, they're renovating it and cleaning it up. Okay, and then you come out here. Then we have this little alley of our balcony, which I'll show you on the other side. There's the balcony, right? It's covered, which is nice. Okay. And then boom, there it is. This is 14 million right here. Right here. Okay. All right, what'd you guys think about this?